Promise you you'll catch me. Promise you you'll catch me. Promise you you'll catch me.
Hello everybody, this is Rami again with MacStar Computers. Please visit gomacstar.com. We do have no credit needed purchasing options on everything store-wide. Now let's talk about how to remove viruses on a Mac. Now this is quite simple as contrast to PC because we could simply delete it. Do not take it to a store to remove a virus and pay anywhere from $30 to $150 when you can do it free if you have a Mac. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Finder, go to your applications, and look for any software that claims to be an antivirus or something that you accidentally downloaded but did not pay for. So in this case, most of the time it's MacKeeper or Clean Mac or anything like that. If you see anything like that about cleaning or removing viruses or making your Mac faster, go ahead and delete it. And it's simple. After we go to the Finder, we go to the application, and you can simply drag and drop it to your trash can. Now for example, let's say MacKeeper. So I'm going to create a folder because I am not about to download MacKeeper to show you guys as an example. Sorry, because I hate that program. But let's say it's MacKeeper and I go ahead and delete it. Now after you delete it from your applications, let's go ahead and hit Command Spacebar and type in the software you just deleted. And what this will do, it would bring up everything else that MacKeeper or any other software has installed on your computer. You'll be able to locate every location where this file is. So go ahead, once you find it, open it up and delete everything off there. Once you have deleted it, let's go to the startup menu and make sure you delete any of the software you see that you just deleted and take it off your startup menu, because your computer will attempt to start it up every time you turn on your computer. This is also a great way to speed up your computer, just deleting all your startup items, because every time you turn on your computer, your processor is trying to process all the apps to start up every time your computer is turned on. Now once that's done and you deleted all the software information off your computer, I would recommend downloading Avast. So you go to avast.com, click the download here and download it. I believe I have it on this computer. I do. So once you download Avast, it's gonna say something about your system preferences and security won't allow Avast. And the way to do that, you want to go to the Apple System Preferences and go to Security and Privacy. And here it'll show Allow Avast to work, and you want to press Allow here. Once you press that, Avast will be able to work at its full capabilities. Now when we open up Avast, after I deleted all my potential viruses or any software that you don't recognize, that you didn't pay for or install intentionally, or if you did install it and you don't like it and your computer has a bunch of pop-ups, let's go ahead and press scan and do a full scan. Once the full scan's completed, it'll give you a list of viruses or infected files that it found, and go ahead and press delete after the scan is finished. Now another thing with pop-ups, there's another way you could detect the virus without even running the scan at first. And it's usually viruses attack your extensions in your web browser. So to go to extensions here, I click the three-dot menu, I go to more tools, and this is for Chrome. You can look up Safari or Mozilla or whichever browser you use. Just look up how to get the extensions, and you'll see here some extensions that you may not recognize. For example, we use MacKeeper here as an example of a bad software. You can go ahead and just remove any extensions that you don't notice, or any, I want to say, cleaner app or anything like that. Go ahead and just remove it. This is the #1 reason people get pop-ups, because viruses attack your extensions. They add themselves to the extension of your default web browser, and they continue from there. They go ahead and just start pop-ups, which is very irritating. So this is how you actually get rid of pop-ups. Just delete any extension that you do not see. For example, Viral Launch, I used to use them a while ago, but I'll go ahead and remove it. Once you remove all your extensions and all the software that you did not recognize and run a Avast full scan, you'll restart your computer and you'll notice that your computer is back to good shape. So that is exactly how you get rid of any viruses on a Mac for free. Have a good one, guys.